In this video, I'm going to show you how to add hashtags to a post on Instagram. As you can see, I have a few posts on my Instagram account, and if you don't know how to add hashtags to them, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say I want to add a hashtag to this post. So you basically want to go to the post and then hit the three dots at the top, and then you want to hit edit, and now you can go ahead and add hashtags. So you can hit the hashtag button and then hit, for example, cars. Basically do any hashtag you want. So let's do a hashtag that isn't used a lot. So cars 111 1112, and then when we upload it like this and we search for the hashtag, so it's basically hashtag cars 11112, and then go to tags, you can see that it is not uploaded yet. But when we hit it from here, you can see that the hashtag has been uploaded, and now you can use hashtag, and people that view the hashtag can go to your post as well. So this way you can grow very fast on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.